Hey YouTube, welcome back to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I hope you enjoy this classical music composition by Beethoven, Minuet in G. But before we begin, go to fingerstyleukuleletabs.com, grab your tab sheet for 99 cents so you can accelerate your learning. Alright, let's jump in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a lesson. Many lessons coming your way, and we love it. Go to fingerstyleukuleletabs.com, my brand new website. Grab your tab sheet for this song and other songs that I've created for as little as 99 cents. Pretty darn good deal, pretty easy way to speed up your learning, and a better way to impress your friends. Alright guys, thanks for joining me here today. As always, we will see you next time with so much more awesomeness to come. Drop your requests in the comments below and we'll see you next time.